This is Barry Zalma speaking for Claim School Incorporated's blog, Zalma on Insurance. Today we speak about why an intent to move does not create a residence, and a residence premises occupied by the insured is required for there to be coverage under a basic homeowners policy. In Paul Villalobos versus Clear Blue Insurance Company, the United States Court of Appeal for the Fifth Circuit on December 10, 2024, dismissed Plaintiff Paul Villalobos' breach of contract claim following a coverage dispute between himself and his insurer because he admitted he did not live in the insured premises. Villalobos is named on a Clear Blue homeowners policy, which provides coverage for property located in Houston, Texas. The policy's property coverages section states in pertinent part, quote, "We covered the dwelling on the residence premises shown in the declarations," and defines residence premises as, quote, "the one-family dwelling where you reside on the inception date of the policy period showed in the declarations," close quote. The declarations page lists Villalobos as the insured. His mailing address is the property in Texas and the inception date of September 21, 2021. In mid-November 2021, Villalobos reported to Clear Blue that wind and hail had damaged the property's roof earlier that month. Clear Blue denied coverage after Villalobos admitted he lived in Colorado and had never resided at the property. Villalobos sued Clear Blue, alleging breach of contract, breach of the duty of good faith and fair dealing, violations of the Texas Deceptive Trade Practices Act and the Texas Insurance Code, fraud, and ongoing conspiracy to commit illegal acts. The court reviewing the lawsuit and the order of the trial court found that during his deposition, Villalobos testified he lived in Colorado for over 9 years and did not reside at the property in Texas when the Clear Blue policy went into effect. Clear Blue moved for summary judgment on Villalobos' claims, arguing there was no insurance coverage for Villalobos' property damage as a matter of law. Applying Louisiana law, the Fifth Circuit has previously determined that an individual residence requirement in a homeowner's insurance policy required more than purchasing a home or intending to move into it. Applying a case called Giovera Specialty v. Joaquin, the Fifth Circuit agreed with the district court that the property did not satisfy the policy's residence requirement and was not a covered residence premises because, one, it is undisputed that Villalobos did not reside on the property on the inception date of the Clear Blue policy, and two, Villalobos' only material argument on appeal was that he intended to move onto the property. Joaquin held that intending to move is not enough. The Fifth Circuit concluded there was no coverage under the policy, and accordingly, Villalobos' breach of contract claim failed and the United States District Court's judgment was affirmed. In my opinion, that something as obvious as a home in Texas cannot be the residence premises of a person who lives full-time in Colorado. Insurers issue property insurance policies providing coverage similar to a homeowner's policy to the owner of a rental property or a non-occupied property, while a homeowner's policy always limits coverage to the person who actually resides at the property. That this case went to the Fifth Circuit was a waste of plaintiff's time and money, the waste of the time of the trial court, and the waste of the time of the Fifth Circuit, who rendered a concise and clear opinion. A less kind judge or appellate court would have have imposed sanctions on the party plaintiff and his counsel. This video was adapted from my blog, Zelma on Insurance, which is available free to anyone who clicks on the URL zelma.com/blog. You can subscribe to the blog and you'll receive notice of every blog posting, usually 5 or 6 a week. Plus, you'll have access to more than 4,900 blog postings. You can also subscribe to the videos on YouTube and rumble.com, and if you do, I'd appreciate it if you click on the like button on YouTube or the thumbs up button on rumble.com. And if you're interested in further detail about insurance, insurance claims, insurance law, and insurance fraud, please consider for a very small fee subscribing to my Substack publications. Thank you for your attention.